There are many ways to change the wallpaper. One of them is to left-click the wallpaper file to select it. Now right-click it and click on Set as Desktop Background. This is a quick way to change the wallpaper. However, the image may look blurry or stretched. To fix this, right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Now click Background. Pay attention in this option. Choose a fit for your desktop image and click here to show the options. Make sure to try these different settings until you find something to your liking. Also, when you change the settings, you can look here for a preview of the change, which helps you to choose the best setting. This is how we change wallpapers on Windows. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.